Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick introduction to the channel video. Picked up some Weller irons from Home Depot, as well as I got some other soldering irons sitting here. We can do a quick discussion over them. Hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be the quick as I possibly can do it introduction to the channel. I picked up this standard duty 25 watt up to 900 degrees 15 piece wood burning and hobby iron kit. Possible applications: wood burning, hobbies, crafts, jewelry, cutting, molding, or modeling, and branding. And then I also picked up, and before I talk about that one, this one is Whiskey Sam Bravo 25 Whiskey Bravo. So there's two versions of this one. I think the reason, because I got these on discount, I think the reason that these were discounted so heavily is because there's replacements to these units. This unit right here, it's got the old style handle. This used to be 20 bucks, well over a couple years ago. I've been eyeballing it for a while. I got this for $14.06. I actually have the receipt right here. $14.06, and this guy right here is usually $39. And I picked it up for $26.06. And they already have the newer model of this one in Home Depot. And there looks like a few differences, but the main difference is the handle is actually a comfort style grip handle and a few other features. This one is and in my previous videos I had stated that this is cordless. It is not cordless, and or I might have said it was cordless. I don't remember, to be specific, but this unit, you do have to have it plugged in. My previous video, especially in the unboxing video, I couldn't get this to work. I actually have a short extension cord plugged in down there, and it runs up my cart to right here. And if I plug this unit in, I know the cord is plugged into the wall, and I know that the wall outlet is on. But if I plug this in, it wouldn't work before. And I'm not sure why. Maybe it's pulling too much ampage or something specifically plugged in. Maybe it's pulling too much ampage to the extension cord, or it's just not working properly. Let me move the extension cord to a different outlet. And see if it changes anything. So move the extension cord to a different outlet. Now it works. So just for some reason works perfectly fine, so I just wanted to bring that up. And it's pretty warm already. Just a couple seconds. It says it's supposed to take 35 seconds and it will be up to operating temperature. Also states that this will turn green when it is on operating temperature. This unit does work. It does have to be plugged in at all times during use. So if I had stated in a previous video that it is a cordless unit, I do apologize. It's just been one of those weeks for me, and my health issues and everything going on. But also wanted to do quick information. I do have a ton of irons. I have some that aren't even sitting here as an example. So I have this cold heat iron It actually takes batteries. So let me just bring them in view. So this is the cold heat iron. So this one actually is a soldering iron, but it's got like a ceramic style tips. It doesn't have any batteries in it at the moment. But this one does have light, a switch and everything. Needs to be cleaned. It's kind of sticky. My dad actually gave this to me. I also have I have a couple other Weller units too, including this one. This one, I remember correctly, it's the 60 watt or 40 watt, something like that. It's similar to this guy, but this is the old style. It does have 3 LED lights at the tip, or on the base. This unit I've used a few times. I've just cleaned it up. I've replaced these tips a couple times. So this is a good unit as well. I like Weller soldering irons. I have a couple of their larger units, you know, the base with the dial and everything. This one I actually got from Harbor Freight. This one I've used a lot, not just as a soldering iron, but also as a blowgun or a hot air gun. That's what I like about this. I might be picking up this style unit made by Pneumatic eventually. I also have this guy right here, which is a Pneumatic torch, which does come with a solder tip. And let me move the light real quick, see if I can grab the tip in the toolbox. Where is it at? Put that one there. I have no idea where the tip is. Interesting. Lid back down. Might be trying to remember where I put the tip. Well, here it is. I'll put it in a separate drawer. Let me move this light back. So this is the soldering tip for this Pneumatic right here. You can lock this down and it becomes a soldering iron. Another cool feature about this soldering iron, or this torch slash soldering iron, you can lock it on for continuous. It has a butane style torch. And if you push this switch forward, it turns into a regular flame. That's the neat feature about this guy. But you can use it as a torch as well. This brick goes to this one. Got these two here. I have this power probe unit as well. I totally forgot this was in the box in my cart. This unit is similar, to be honest. It's actually similar to this guy right here. which is a 15-piece wood burning hobby iron kit. It's got a couple items, including a hot knife, and some wrenches and a sponge and a few other things, and I've used this several times. So this actually does have the feature where you can use it as a hot blow gun as well. So you actually have to turn this switch on, and yeah, it warms up pretty quick. You can see it's already red. This is a really good unit, in my opinion. I use soldering irons all the time for automotive as well as other things, including electrical, board repair for computers. I got this Chicago Electric for soldering iron. It's a 30 watt, 120 volt, 60 hertz. I got this from Harbor Freight a long time ago. I have an old style Jensen here, which is 4.6 D720 maybe. That's kind of rubbed off. 20 volt AC DC, as well as I have the Milwaukee version that Milwaukee came out with. The Ryobi 40 watt soldering iron, as well as the Ryobi 45 watt soldering station, all take these style tips that you just slide on and off. This one I have used a lot. It's well used. And then I have the two Ryobi units sitting right here. So here's the 40 watt. And then the soldering stations right there. So I move these real quick. Just want to give you guys a view. Got a lot of information in the unboxing and specs video that I want to show you guys. Kind of try to stand some of this stuff up. Give you guys a little better view. And then we'll end this video. I'm not going to do a bunch of information on this video. I do want to say, if you guys have any questions about soldering or tips or tricks, just leave it in the comments below. This video will be out way before the way before the unboxing informations video, as well as the other information I gave in that video. I'm gonna slide all this stuff over. So I'm gonna move this guy, slide that guy on top, kind of bring it all in to view for you guys. Okay. So these are not all of my soldering irons, but I have a lot of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that doesn't include the full-size Weller units that I use for electronics only, as well as I'm thinking about picking up the Brenzomatic version that's like this guy and or this guy right here, because they're handy, especially when you're doing mobile repair. They're very handy. But I don't want the video to be any longer than it needs to be. This is supposed to be a quick video, as quick as I can. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. There's lots of units. I did want to verify in this video before you guys see this is not a cordless gun or a soldering iron, not gun, but it's not cordless. You have to have it plugged in. But this does have the phono style jack, like a headphone jack. 3.2 millimeter jack to be specific. As well as it does work. It just, whatever plug my extension cord was plugged in into, it didn't like that plug. It wouldn't provide any power, but I wanted to make sure that you guys see that it does work. Nice unit for 26 bucks for this guy. This one was 14 instead of 20 for this one and 40 for this one. 26 isn't bad. The Milwaukee is expensive. The Ryobi soldering station, which is the big one right here, is 79. This little guy up here is 40 bucks. This was like 15 bucks at Harbor Freight. This Weller was 20 bucks. The Jensen, I have no idea what the price was. My dad gave that to me when I was heavy into soldering. And the Chicago electric one was, I don't know, 10 bucks. This butane from Power Probe was 69 bucks. This guy, I have no idea what the price is. I've never actually seen it ever again, other than the fact that my dad gave it to me. It has ceramic tips. This was the torch was 26 bucks. You can get it at Home Depot. I do hope the information was helpful. I do have a couple Weller units. They're full-size units. They're 179, and one is like 369, 79, something like that. And I do have a couple of soldering stations that also have hot air stations and a few other stations attached to them that are well over $500-600. I just haven't. I didn't want to put that in this video. Those would take way too long to explain. The Ryobi units are good units. Even the Milwaukee is a good unit. The Milwaukee and the Ryobis have the same tip design. You could just pop new tips on and off of them. As well as a lot of these have removable tips. Similar design. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. If you have any questions about soldering, if you have any questions about tips or tricks, just let me know. I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Appreciate you guys' time. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video for the day. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!